Before buying a drain snake, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of them just don't work as well as they claim, and real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Kefar Drain Cleaner Set. First up is the Kefar Drain Clog Remover Set. Priced at just $10.11, this kit caught my attention because it offers a practical combination of tools for drain cleaning. If you want an affordable solution to tackle hair and blockages, this is worth a serious look. This set includes a 35.5-inch metal clog remover, a 25-inch drain snake, and a couple of cleaning brushes. The long metal remover can reach deep into your pipes to grab clogs, while the flexible drain snake easily pulls out hair and debris. With over 10,000 sold recently, people clearly trust it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can avoid costly plumber visits by using these reusable tools. Now, some people complain that the metal clog remover might feel a bit flimsy when pulling out really tough clogs. Here's the thing though, as long as you use it for typical household clogs, it should do just fine. If you force it too hard, it might bend, but for regular maintenance, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical and straightforward way to keep your drains clean without hiring a professional. Skip this one if you have extremely stubborn clogs, often since you might need something more heavy-duty. Now, if the length of the Kefar set bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Flexi Snake Drain Weasel. Next up is the Flexi Snake Drain Weasel, priced at $25.29. What caught my eye is its unique design that claims to effortlessly remove hair clogs from sinks and tubs. If convenience is your priority, this tool is worth a serious look. The Flexi Snake features a 360-degree rotating head with micro-hooks that lock in hair and grime. Plus, it comes with 5 disposable wands, making cleanup super easy. With thousands sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its simple efficiency. Here's why this matters for you. It saves you time and hassle while dealing with messy clogs. Some users have mentioned that the wands could be more durable and might break if used too aggressively. Now I get it, if you're dealing with tougher clogs, this might not be the most reliable tool. But for regular maintenance and standard hair clogs, it's a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, straightforward tool to keep your drains clean without much effort. Skip this one if you often deal with severe clogs, since it might not hold up under pressure. Plus, at this price, it's a solid value for the convenience it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for reaching deeper into pipes. Product number 3, Damijo Drain Snake. Now we have the Damijo Drain Snake, which is priced at $17.70. This one grabbed my attention because it offers a whopping 79 inches of reach. If you need a long tool for deep clogs, this is worth a serious look. Made from high-toughness spring steel, the Damijo can reach deep into your plumbing system. It features a 4-prong claw that grips debris tightly. This is especially useful for retrieving hair or food items stuck in your pipes. It's designed for household drains with a diameter of at least 1.5 cm, and with over 6,000 sales in the past month, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you. The long reach means you can tackle clogs that are otherwise hard to access. Some customers have noted that it's not ideal for narrow or complex plumbing systems. Here's the thing though, if you have standard home drains, this tool will perform beautifully. If you have very tight U-bends or industrial pipes, you might find it less effective. This is perfect for you if you're consistently dealing with deep clogs in your home. Skip this one if your plumbing has lots of twists and turns, since it might not work well in those situations. Plus, at this price, you're getting great value for a long-lasting tool. Now, if you're looking for something more powerful to tackle tough clogs, check out this next product. Product number 4, BACYOU Drain Auger. Next, we have the BACYOU Drain Auger priced at $40.44. I was drawn to its professional-grade design with a 25-foot reach. If you're looking for something robust to handle tough clogs, this one is worth a serious look. This drain snake comes with a flexible steel spring that handles bends in the pipes well. The kit includes gloves to keep your hands clean, and it's designed to work on various drains, including kitchen and bathroom sinks. With over 5,000 sold recently, it's clear that this product is trusted by many. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed for serious clogs that regular tools might struggle with. Some users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to get the hang of using the drill attachment. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with power tools, this might feel a bit daunting at first. But once you get the hang of it, it'll save you a ton of time and money. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with tough clogs and want a tool that can handle it all. Skip it if you're just looking for a quick fix for minor clogs, since it might be overkill for those situations. Plus, it's a solid investment for someone looking to save on plumbing costs long-term. Now, for those who want an even easier operation, let's check out the next option. Product number 5, BACYO Auto Feed Drain Snake. Finally, we have the BACYO Auto Feed Drain Snake, which is priced at $50.56. What caught my attention is the auto feed feature that makes it super easy to navigate through pipes. If you want something that simplifies the unclogging process, this is worth a serious look. This tool features a 25-foot flexible steel spring that can easily navigate through bends in the pipes. The auto-feed mechanism allows the spring to extend and retract without manual feeding, making it user-friendly. It's made from eco-friendly materials, which is a nice touch. With over 1,000 sales, it shows there's a demand for this type of tool. Here's why this matters for you. It means less hassle when you're dealing with clogs. However, some users reported that the auto-feed can occasionally jam if not used carefully. Now here's the thing, if you take your time and handle it gently, this tool can save you a lot of frustration. For those who rush, it might not be as smooth. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly tool to tackle various clogs without breaking a sweat. Skip this one if you prefer manual operation or if you're on a tight budget. It's a worthy investment for anyone serious about keeping their drains clean. So to wrap up, we looked at 5 great options for drain snakes. The Keyfar set is perfect for budget-conscious users, while the Flexi Snake is all about convenience. The Damijo offers long reach, and the BACYO models provide professional-grade solutions, with the auto-feed being the easiest to use. Whatever your needs, there's a solid option here to help tackle those pesky clogs.